Gbe Oluwo Iwo ó fi very dark man ó fi jẹ Atayese one of Nigeria òrìṣà ńlá. Ṣó o ti rí fídíò jọ tẹ̀lé mi wá wo gbogbo ẹ̀.
Baba don't collect him just in tattoo. You know why? Baba don't collect him just in tattoo. You know why? Baba don't collect him just in tattoo. 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 If you don't know, not today. You understand? Don't punish the war. Don't punish Mario Wazobia. Don't punish every Nigerian. We don't want better for this country. When we did that song?
Gbe Oluwo Ìwọ pápá ìwọ ọ̀nà àbí kí lẹ́ni ká kọ́. Olúwo Gbe Oluwo ni ó náà fi very dark man jẹ oyè Atayese one of Nigeria òrìṣà ńlá. Atayese one of Nigeria òrìṣà ńlá, what a combination. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé kíní yẹn nítumọ̀ létí yín? Atayese one of Nigeria. Atayese one of Nigeria, òrìṣà ńlá. So Vdm ti dòrìṣà. Lọ́wọ́ Sheikh Gbe Oluwo. Very dark man. Oni Atayese one of Nigeria, òrìṣà ńlá. So very dark man ti become òrìṣà lọ́wọ́ Gbe Oluwo. Ayi. Ó dẹ̀ ní Ọ̀rúnmìlà, kò ń ṣòòṣà o. Ó ní àwọn Ọbàtálá ńkọ́, wọn ń ṣòòṣà o. Ó ní gbogbo àwọn òòṣà tí wọ́n kù tí wọ́n ń sìn nílẹ̀ kóòtù ajíire. Ó ní wọn kì í ṣòrìṣà pé Ọlọ́run kẹ̀yìn sí wọn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ní ìgbà táwọn yẹn ń ṣòrìṣà. Okay. Very dark man, brother wa yẹn. Òun ni òrìṣà ńlá ń sìn. Ó ti dojú ẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ti ń yé àbí? Ṣó ń yé ẹ? Anyway, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ti Gbe Oluwo, èmi ò ní ọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ ńbẹ̀. Because gbogbo yín lẹ rí oríṣiríṣi nǹkan tó ṣe lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí. Ó believe pé gbogbo nǹkan tóun bá ṣe àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá a ní láti máa pariwo ẹ̀. Àwọn tó bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ pariwo ẹ̀ ló fẹ́ pariwo ẹ̀. Lọ́dọ̀ ti tèmi very dark man lèmi bá lọ́rọ̀. Ṣé rí tó lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí ló kó àwọn kan tó dàbí eégún. Èyàn ò gbúdọ̀ pàdé wọn bọ́yẹ̀ pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́nà wàá yá dànù ni wàá yá wọgbó. Kí ló dé? Ó kó wọn wá, ó lọ wá kí òun láti Saudi àbí àwọn ará North. Ó tún káwọn kan wá láti Saudi. Ó dẹ̀ ní òun o. Òun ti sọ wípé òun ò ń ṣe ọmọ Yorùbá mọ́. Ọmọ Saudi lókù tó ń fẹ́ máa ṣe. Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo àwọn council of ọba ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wọn ò retí fi gbọ́ yẹn. Ìgbà tó ti sọ pé òun ò ń ṣọ ara Yorùbá mọ́, kí ló dé tó sì ń jókòó sórí àpèrè nǹkan Yorùbá? Kí ni nǹkan Yorùbá sì ń ṣe lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀? Kí ló dé tó sì ń pè lọ́ba tó sì ń jẹ́ kábíyèsí tó sì jókòó sí palace? Ó ti ná òun ò fara mọ́ nǹkan Yorùbá, òun ò dẹ̀ ṣe Yorùbá mọ́. Saudi ni. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó lọ jọba ní Saudi. Mo ti ń dúró kí àwọn council of obas kí wọ́n ti issue ọ̀rọ̀ sí online. Báwo lèèyàn tó sọ wípé òun ò ṣara yín mọ́? Ẹ̀dẹ̀ sì jẹ́ kó máa dúró lórí àpèrè yẹn. No now. Kí ló máa ṣe gbogbo àwọn àgbààgbà wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan ni wọn kì í rírò? Ó ní ìgbà tí kinní yẹn bá bàjẹ́ tán pátápátá. Kò sí wàhálà. Very dark man, my brother. For me, I don't have anything against you. You are my very good brother. Thank you for all the good work you are doing for our people. You understand? Now all of us, they join and they do everything in a little way where everybody feel do. But my own little advice for you, very dark man, you don't they do this work. Everybody, they praise you. My brother, you see that Gbe, if you don't know, we are referring to Oluwo that gave you a chieftaincy title as Sheikh Ahmad Gbe of Yoruba land. Now that kind of person you want to associate with. If you get closer to very dark man, me una call am. Me una help me call that our brother. Me una advise am. Me una tell am the truth and the whole sense to his sense. Before the water come begin they pass Gary. Now maybe they talk this thing. You see that place where very dark man they go. Now no go area. That person where you want go begin they associate yourself with. If that man go destroy your reputation for Nigeria. Many meaningful people they go run away from you. Nobody go want to get one or two things to do with you again. With that man, that KBC where you don't go meet where they tell the whole world say he make you Atayese one of Nigeria. I never see that kind of chieftaincy for my life. As if they call you now, say you be Orishala. This is the same person where they condemn all the gods. Where the Yoruba land. My brother Vdm, for your area where you from come, we know say from house by house like this. Now every one of una get on a God, small God, where una they worship. Apart from going to God as a Muslim or as a Christian, who say you they worship the real God. Una still get the small gods where everybody they worship. As an ancestor. Abi, may one person come out where he be king, can't they condemn all those things for you? How you go take answer that kind of human being? A man will be say as terrorists they find everybody where you they allow up and down, where they not allow you rest for Nigeria. Make this man will give you chieftaincy title now. Come they tell us say na lie, na them be the best person. Any terrorist where they catch or they chase them away from where they kidnap, make them they come inside. Now they recruit them for Iwo. Now that kind of person you want to associate with, I bet me una call very dark man for where they hear word. Me una advise am. Now be the only thing wey I want to talk for this one, because everything wey Oluwo dey do, he dey look for attention seeker. Ẹ ti mọ̀ wípé ibẹ̀ ni kọ́kọ́ là ń lọ. Tẹ̀lé mi kó wá wo fídíò yìí.
You see, I'm still saying it. Nigeria may not have election come 2027. You guys don't understand what is going on. You don't understand what is going on. Let me tell you something. I said something in my last video. I said Tinubu does not believe in one Nigeria. Not just Tinubu. The whole Yorubas, they don't believe in one Nigeria. The Igbos, they don't believe in one Nigeria. And these Igbos now and the Yorubas now that they don't believe in one Nigeria, they are working together. The Igbos, they've never been united the way they are united right now. When I mean united, I'm talking about the political class. Let me tell you something. The only people that believe in one Nigeria are those guys in the northern Nigeria, the northeast and the northwest, even the north central. They don't believe in one Nigeria. See, this thing is something that has to do with two Nigeria. That's why I am telling you that come 2027, we may not have election. We may not have because Tinubu knows. Tinubu knows that this country has to go into parts. He knows that is what the guy is working for. You see, in the past, I was like looking at Tinubu. I said, okay, Tinubu is going to work to favor these guys from the northern Nigeria, but he's not doing it. Tinubu has his own agenda, and the agenda of Tinubu is to partition Nigeria. You guys don't understand. Let me pause. Go and check all the Igbos political class, both the business class. They are on the side of Tinubu now. This thing has to do with two Nigeria. There is a project to demarcate Nigeria. You guys don't understand what is going on. That's why I'm telling you that come 2027, there may be election and there may not be election. If they come in the other way around, you will just hear that the southern Nigeria will declare their own republic. And when you declare your own republic, you need all these superpowers. You need superpowers. Tinubu is a friend to France. France is a superpower. Tinubu has already, bought Donald Trump. Donald Trump, they are the police of the world. But the business class, they are on the side of Tinubu now. This thing has to do with two Nigeria. There is a project to demarcate Nigeria. You guys don't understand what is going on. That's why I'm telling you that come 2027, there may be election and there may not be election. If they come in the other way around, you will just hear that the southern Nigeria will declare their own republic. And when you declare your own republic, you need all these superpowers. You need superpowers. Tinubu is a friend to France. France is a superpower. Tinubu has already, bought Donald Trump. Donald Trump, they are the police of the world. Now, Tinubu now is in the UK. If Nigeria want to part into two, it's not the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister of UK has nothing to do with Nigeria parting into two. The people that have the power in palace, and that is where Tinubu is today. Oh my God. See, we've seen countries in the world that they parted into two without even shooting a gun. They never fired a shot. Nobody fought each other. They just did it peacefully.
Yorùbá o, èèwọ̀ lèèwọ̀ tí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá bá rárá fi balẹ̀ tá jẹ́ kí ọ̀tẹ̀ àti àbòsí àti oríṣiríṣi hatred ó bò wá lójú ju bó ṣe yẹ lọ. Mo yìí tún sọ. Kó tó bínú jù, kó tó fapá jọrí inú ilé ẹ, kó tó fẹsẹ̀ jọlẹ̀, kó tó máa tó tá online lórí TikTok at everywhere. Tinubu no go area kìnìkan. Èmi ò fọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀, ṣùgbọ́n àlàyé kékeré ni mo ní kí wá ṣe fún ẹ. Sorry, the only thing tí mo mọ̀ tí Tinubu tó lè sọ wípé Tinubu family àbí Tinubu fún alára ẹ̀ tó lè sọ pé òun nídìí lára àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá. Ọlọ́run kò ju second time pé òun nídìí ìbò lọ́wọ́ yín. Tabade dá sílẹ̀ tabatusha 2023 ṣe ìdìbò fún. Ṣá dìbò fún. Ìyẹn ló le jù láti become president. Ṣé kò maneuver ara ẹ̀ débẹ̀? Ṣojú ò ti everybody wa. Báwo lẹ́yìn Yorùbá ṣe wá believe pé tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá fún níbò ní second time kò ní jókòó pa síbẹ̀? Ṣẹ́rí lọ́jọ́ tí tèmi èmi rí Tinubu bẹni tó ti parí second time. Third time ni mo rí tí bàbá ń ṣe lọ yìí. Ìwọ tó bá rí géèmù yẹn bó ṣe ń lọ. Wàá dẹ̀ rí wípé géèmù tí àwọn Northerners mọ̀ play wípé kán da terrorists sí the whole of Nigeria. Kí ilé má gba àyàn, kọ́nà má gba àyàn tí wọ́n ti ṣe already. Wọ́n rò wípé Tinubu máa sọ̀kàn, ó máa gbá pálẹ̀ fún wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n ò rí wípé Tinubu kò rọ́ wọn báyìí. Tó jẹ́ sí wípé ẹni máa kú bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti pàdé ẹni máa pa. Ṣùgbọ́n mo wá bí ẹ́, àṣà ní nǹkan kan tí Tinubu àti ìjọba ẹ̀ ṣe fún àwọn Northerners tó sọ wípé wọ́n fẹ́ second time ńlá. Kí ló ṣe? Ìwọ náà béèrè. Okay, Yorùbá báyìí ẹ̀